is changing faster than ever before, and our kids are going to experience a very different world that we may not fully conceive. It's going to be good, but things like climate change, food and energy shortage, new diseases, social and cultural transformation, all on the backdrop of technology-driven, artificially intelligent, and automation-driven world. Boy, that's very challenging problems our next generations must solve. How do we prepare our children to live and thrive in such a very different world? No one can really say that, but one thing is for sure: creativity and entrepreneurship. Creativity and entrepreneurship is the most important skill that our children will need as they grow into an ultra-digital and ultra-technology-driven world. And there's our problem. Just like most of us, our children are not going to learn these skills from their schools. They could spend years before they really grow to understand and apply these principles in their life. So Talking Chalks has created our Super Child Workshop series, a series of fun, short educational courses around creativity, entrepreneurship, and marketing. Check out and enroll in our courses today and give your kids a great opportunity to learn these life skills that will set them apart in future. Thank you.